Good morning, Father Phyrexia here. It's Wednesday. Yeah, we got Woodland Critters. Alright, got our little frog mascot right here in the background. And big ass JJ. I'm opening this pack outside with nature for the Woodland Critters. Get. Here's salt. Psychic World, Treetop Centuries, Dive Brown Down Draft, Dire Down Draft, Carrot Cake, Seed Pod Squire, the Bark Farm Harvester, Fireglass Mentor, Short Bow, Teapot Singer. Oh, Treetops, 3 Tree City, hell yeah. And Kitsa, oh, hell yeah. Get the fuck down a mountain. And Playful Shove. And the signed Balin art card. Awesome sauce. Until next time, guys. Enjoy my elephant ears and my frog. And my little dog, Scoobert.